Hello, good morning. Assalamualaikum, Miss. Are you open with Miss Ima?
Hello, good morning. Waalaikumsalam. Yes, it's true with myself. Who is this?
I'm Rizki, Miss, a new employee at the office. Incidentally, the some department with Miss Ima. I got your number from Miss Dwi.
Oh, yesterday new employee. How risky?
Today is a holiday, right, Miss?
Yes, risky. I have a week off.
On vacation alone with or your family?
Oh, I'm on vacation alone. I'm not married yet.
Oh, it's been a long time, Miss. How I'm not married yet. It's fine. Sorry to bother you in advance.
It's okay, no problem. What do you need, risky?
This is Miss. I want to ask about the multimeter.
Oh, the multimeter. Yes, yes. Ho.
For this measurement, what is being measured, Miss?
Oh, risky. Only the resistor is measured.
Do you use analog or digital multimeter, Miss?
I just use the analog one, risky. It's very easier.
Okay, fine. Then, but how about this, Miss?
Oh, what happened, risky?
How do I ask a multimeter, Miss? I'm not good at using it.
I already expected risky.
Yes, Miss. How is it?
What do you want to measure is?
Measure the resistor early, Miss.
Okay, first, set the position of the selector switch to off.
Yes, Miss. I understood until I used the switch. Then after that, how?
Okay, if you understand, um, just connect the probe to the resistor component. After that, just read the measured result on the screen.
Is there a polarity, ma'am?
It no risky, so it can be reversed.
But measuring the other component is the same, Miss?
It must be different risky because the other component are not the same.
Miss, what if it turn out that it does not work?
Risky, I've tried it before.
Oh, yes, Miss. How do you turn off the multimeter?
For how to turn it off, remove all the components that have been measured.
What is that for, Miss?
That's for the analog. So later you don't turn the selector to the off part later it's already in the off condition.
Oh, yes, Miss. I understand. And for the digital one, is it the same or different, Miss?
Yes, Rizky. Is the same letter on. You just have to turn the selector to the off position, Rizky.
Okay, okay. I try it right away. Thank you, Miss. And sorry to disturb your time.
Okay, Rizky, no problem. You're welcome. If it still doesn't work, contact me again, yes?
Okay, Miss. Sorry to interrupt your vacation. Assalamualaikum.
Okay, no problem. You're welcome. Waalaikumsalam.